healthy food.
What kind of healthy food will we fit in without squeezing? I could go raspberries, but they're
Good
going to
point.
make me
No healthy food, it's too big. Gemma said it.
It's too messy.
It is time to board. Unlimited legs room. Yeah, and we're going to sit for another 6. So it's T-minus 5 days until we leave for Bali, and this is the state of our room. We've still got all the packing to do, and yeah, the stress is on because we're working pretty much all week.
We're busy all week, every day.
Yeah.
Campaig's full. Need to get done.
Here we go. So after a whole lot of stressing, we're finally packed up. We're going to be borderline with our 7 kilograms hand luggage, and we need to figure out at the airport, but we need to catch a taxi, go into our friend's place and dropping our big bags off, and then we're heading into town. And she's going to show us how to do a quick transfer wise to get all our funds. We use Starling Bank, which we've actually got a blog on it as well. I'll drop a link down below for the best bank accounts for international payments. But Starling Bank lets you pay money anywhere in the world without actually having to spend any money on transfer fees. So our bags are all set up. We sent the money across, but transfer wise our friend sent us a code, and when you get that code you can transfer the money for free, which is really handy. Up to 500. No, I sent $1,000.
Oh yeah, no, but it charged you.
Yeah, up to £500, yeah, I think it is then. And yeah, so if you want a code, we'll put our codes down in the description below. If you're going to be sending any money, make sure you use that code and you'll get free transfers. Can you grab that? Alright, so we've just had lunch. Not sure how good an idea Mexican food was before we do a 6-hour flight, but we're off to Aldi to stock up on some snacks for dinner, and then it's heading to the airport, get there nice and early and get checked in. Hopefully we can get these bags through check-in. Oh yeah, get one of them.
Yeah, the cheapest chocolate we've tried.
Healthy food.
What kind of healthy food will we fit in without squeezing? I could go raspberries, but they're
Good
going to
point.
make me
No healthy food, it's too big. Gemma said it.
It's too messy.
Alright, so we've got food sorted, we've got some breakfast biscuits and some chocolate. We're on the way to the airport now. You can get a, what's it called, a fly bus?
No, the Sky Bus.
Sky bus almost. But that's expensive, so we're going to get a train to Broadmeadows, and then from Broadmeadows we're going to get a bus. It takes about an hour and a half in total, but you know, you save, we're going to save about $40 doing that.
You just what I was there for. You heard me saying a prayer.
No.
And then there's suddenly a someone I really
So, it doesn't drop you off right at the door for the terminal. We're heading to Terminal 2. We need to, apparently it's about a 15-minute walk. We just saved about $40, so I'm going to go to the bar, spend that on Bev instead, I think. Seems like yesterday we were actually here arriving into Melbourne, and how much has actually happened since that day is incredible. Like where we need to, but the Grampians have done gone into Peninsula, we've not had jobs, we've had jobs. What a crazy 4 months, man.
Mad. Right, so I think this is the first time we've ever arrived at the airport too early, and then we're actually too early to check in. We got here and our flight still isn't really on the board. I don't really know what's going on with
But
it.
we're going to Melbourne, it just doesn't want us to leave. So.
Different information on the board to our ticket.
It'll be all good. We're going to chill out for half an hour and then check in. Alright, so we're checked in and we're just going to head through security and get sorted and all that, but we had to put up a bit of a fight to get through. But don't fly with Jetstar. If you're going to fly with Jetstar, make sure you print off, you know your stuff about the visas and stuff like that. We just got flagged because we didn't have a visa on arrival, or a bid to extend our visa on arrival because we're staying for more than 30 days. And they're basically saying that we had to buy a flight if we wanted to get into this one because you need a pre-extension in order to enter the
So
country.
we just have to go to an immigration office and get somebody to approve our extension
In Australia.
Before we could get to Bali, which is ridiculous because we know we've done our research, we spoke to a lot of people over there, we know that that's not the case.
Exactly. Thankfully, Gemma stuck to her guns, got Bali.com up, and we showed them. We said, "This is the rules. Like, read it right here." And the guy started flip-flopping. Eventually, said, "Yeah, on you go." But we're all sorted now. Just know your stuff if you're flying to Bali. It is time to board.
Passport style, please. Need your passport. Yep. Come forward, please.
Oh yeah, I forgot. 44 E and D. So we've got the perks of booking our seats in advance. We've got unlimited legroom, VIP, and we're going to settle down for a 6-hour flight. We'll see you in Bali. So we've just touched down Indonesia, we're finally here. First order of business, we need to try and find the immigration desk to buy our visa extension, so it's job number 1. Alright, so we got through immigration by the skin of our teeth. We just happened to be in the right queue. The visa on arrival booth is tiny, they hid it basically from everyone. And then you need to go make sure that you're going to actually go to the right queue because we waited for about an hour and a half there and the people in front of us were getting told that they went to the wrong queue, so double check with something that you're in the right place. You like it?
I love it.
Alright, so we have arrived finally. We're in Seminyak. And it's been a long day. We've been up for almost 24 hours, so we're going to hit the hay and we're going to get up and explore around the town tomorrow. It's going to be so good.
Can't wait.
Yeah, so we're here in Bali for 2 months and we've got a lot of action coming up. That's another 2 months of Bali action for you, so make sure you tune in next week and we'll see what we're up to. Till then guys, stay chill.
Bye.